All right, so today we are switching up a little bit. We happen to be in Hilton Head Island.
Yes, and Hilton Head's kind of famous for two things.
Oh gosh.
Golfing.
Yeah, we don't golf.
Well, unless it's miniature, maybe.
Maybe miniature golf, yeah, but
I don't think that counts. Not out here. So golfing and bike trails.
Miles and miles of bike trails and scenery and beauty. So we're going to try to experience some of that on our little adventure. So I guess we'll roll the intro, jump into it, and see what Hilton Head Island has to offer.
And not get lost. That's the goal.
Yeah, it seemed a little confusing on the map, but it's not supposed to be.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears.
We forgot our wonderful bike locks. So when in doubt, dog chain, padlock, just as good. There's your travel hack. And it's pink, so it stands out. See, it's really pretty. You ready?
It's the don't forget your bike locks
Yes.
on the truck, Todd.
Don't do that. Well, I mean, you look at all these rental bikes and then, anyways, yeah, don't, probably a little more valuable. Oh no, Sheila found our next boat. It's like, this is a great time to say we need you to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, because apparently we got some other things we need to be doing. This is nuts. This is crazy. Love it. Can you imagine just bringing your boat down, parking here, and going out and seeing Hilton Head? Yeah, it's like beautiful. I mean, look at that. Just chill, go out, go shopping, grab something to eat, hang out on the boat.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own.
Look at this. Check this out. This is like historic right here. See this? We're at Sea Pines and we're at the top of the lighthouse looking over the 18th hole. It's been featured on you see it all the time when I think they do the heritage shoot. I'm not a huge golfer, but I do know iconic places. It's really pretty.
Yeah, tide's out right now, so it's interesting to me to see how far, like, it is out.
I don't know. It's just crazy.
This harbor is just a cool, like, it's like a cul-de-sac of harbor.
I can't imagine, like, when everyone comes in and to the big golf tournament and then they all bring their boats and they camp out here. I mean, it would be, there's just levels of life.
They call it camping.
Oh, it's camping. It's boat camping. There's like levels to life, and like yacht life is like this other level that would be, it's very intriguing to me. And how you could just go wherever, up and down the coast, see some iconic things.
A beautiful day up here.
Wow. And nobody's here. It's like it's completely dead. We have this whole thing to ourselves. Let's see if we can go down over there. See those chairs down there? Let's see if we can go down there.
That I love you.
called the Salty Dog.
Do you know why?
Nope.
So we're at the Salty Dog. There was a dog. I don't know if his name was Jake. There's a song called Feed Jake.
Is this Todd's
He was a good
history?
dog. Salty Dog, there was a dog and this captain, he was on a ship. And there was a squall that happened. Dog and the captain went overboard. And the dog brought the captain back to shore. He's known as the Salty Dog. He's a mythical legend here. And that's why everything's the Salty Dog. It's true. That's a true story. She's not believing me.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
My hush puppy.
Is it good?
Look, doesn't that look delicious? Little cornbread hush puppy, some honey butter.
They say this is one of the things that when you come here that you need to get these hush puppies at the Salty Dog. So they are fabulous. Look how hot this is. Have to burn your fingers. It's pretty awesome.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate.
This sand is like a weird powder. Okay, we made it to the beach. We're gonna go on a bike ride.
We are gonna go on a bike ride.
This sand is like super compact. Tide is coming in now, so we've got about 2 hours. This is very pretty though. This is one of the best things to do in Hilton Head, they say.
Well, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn on the light. I'm coming home.
It's moments like these. I love RV life. This is so awesome. It's so pretty. Come on now. This is.
There be no kind of peace like you beside.
Man, this is fabulous on so many levels. Look, no hands. I'm video recording and not.
Nothing's as it seems in the photo.
There's this lock.
Yeah. That thing right there, Todd.
Yeah,
you
that
should
lock
have
that
brought
I
with
should have
us.
brought. I just left. We were better off with our dog setup, I guess. So 20 plus miles gone down the beach. Got to have the
harbor.
infamous, legendary hush puppies, whatever those were.
Into the
Lighthouse, harbor. Yeah, it was a good just day outing.
Yeah. Beautiful scenery, trees, alligators.
Side note, electric bikes are not permitted
So you gotta pedal.
in Sea-Pines, so you have to pedal. Just have to pedal. That's something in my eye. Did you find the bacon grease? You forgot about the bacon grease. See, this is RV life. we've been gone, and I told her before we left, you know, we made bacon, and then she put the thing up, and then I said, hey, here's some
That's a freaking fail.
yeah, it's a fail. If you make bacon in here,
Well, I have
Probably
a
ought-
feeling that we forgot to pull out this whole thing
oh, and
and
then
clean it.
and then how did that happen? How did that fail?
Because you made the bacon.
I did not do that. There's all the grease.
Dang it!
So that means this is full of grease. This is how we end up. This is RV life at its best. That's probably one of the biggest fails we've had for a while. It's a pretty good one.
I hate messes.
Yep. So with that being said, we hope you enjoyed Hilton Head Island.
It was a great bike ride day.
It is.
To
Now we
end
come.
with a mess.
Yeah, we gotta. To be fair, I did tell her about this, and she didn't want to come in and see it until at the end of the day, and then we both forgot about it. Okay, I'm gonna go take the bikes off the new bike rack. As a matter of fact, I actually like the new bike rack. 𝗵𝐴 did a good job. So, Beach trying to put them in the truck and tie them down and all that stuff. New bike rack for the win. That being said, she was sitting there still mad. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon. We're out.